The custom ringtone app for the Gear S2 lets you send MP3 files from your phone to the watch and set them as ringtone. The first thing you want to do when you install the Gear app is launch it. It will ask you to install the phone sign app. Just press OK. Then you go to the Play Store and install the custom ringtone app. On the watch, if you see the custom ringtone app running in the background, you have to close it first. Now you can launch the app. Press this button to connect to the Gear app. On the watch, you will see this screen. Now you can pick an MP3 file and send it. I have some MP3 files in this folder. Just tap on one and it will be sent to the watch. And you can set it as ringtone by swiping to the left like this, swiping to the right and confirm. I'll do it one more time. Pick a file. And it is here. Swipe to the right. Confirm the action. And if you accidentally select an unwanted file, you can swipe to the left like this to delete the file.